Hi everyone, this is Wen from Wen Guo Real Estate Group. Today we're showcasing 845 Banbury Ln in Millbrae. This beautiful home has 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom upstairs, plus 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, and a living room downstairs. This fabulously updated home offers a sun-soaked open dining and living room space, a gourmet dine-in kitchen with stainless steel appliances, and there's an access to the outdoor decks, a cute sunroom for exercise, and more importantly, a gorgeous large flat backyard with new landscaping. And there's no neighbors in the back. Don't we all love our privacies? Downstairs offers a potential in-law with separate entrance. There's a living room, 2 bedrooms, and 1 bathroom. Utility lines are ready for setting up a kitchenette from behind in the living room if you desire. Roughly $60,000 plus or minus to legalize the in-law unit through licensed contractors. Meadows Park is in the back of the house, and Meadows Elementary School is literally across the street. Come take a look with me. 您好，欢迎和我一起参观 Millbrae 的845 Banbury Ln 3房2卫的雅致别墅，楼下还有2房1卫的空间，可以作为姻亲公寓，既适合大家庭，又可以出租。后院宽敞平坦，背后还没有邻居，给您足够的户外活动空間，又有極高的私密性。室內好闊落，新淨裝修，室外風景又靚，行路就去到公園同埋對面嘅小學，一齊過嚟參觀下啦！Thank you so much for watching the video with us. If you like the property, please feel free to contact your own agent or us for a viewing or for any questions. 如果你有咩問題，隨時歡迎你同我哋聯絡，歡迎你跟我們聯繫，我們在這兒全隊人馬等候您。